welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a Mississippi mud pie. My boyfriend's father wants one for his birthday, and we decided we was going to make him one and surprise him with it for his birthday. I've got the crust made. It's in the oven so it can set. It only has to bake for 10 minutes. So I took chocolate graham crackers and pecans and I grounded them up very finely. And then after I done that, I added my melted butter and I mixed it till it was wet or moist. People doesn't like that word, but it doesn't bother me. But anyway, it's in the oven right now, and when it's done, I'm going to make the filling. And while I'm making I'll either do it before or after, I'm not sure yet. But afterwards, I'll come back and show you my filling. Hey guys, I'm back. I finished the topping of my Mississippi mud pie. I just took the heavy whipping cream and the confectioner sugar and the vanilla and beat it until it had soft peaks in it, and then I topped it on top of the filling of my pie. Whenever I'm finished, I gotta put whipped cream on it and then the rest of the topping. Then when I'm done, I will show you how it looks. But it's my first time attempting this pie, so I hope it turns out good. May not be the prettiest, but it should taste pretty good. And whenever we get back home later on, I'll come back on the camera and I'll tell you about his reaction, because I'm not going to put him on video because he probably doesn't want to be, but I'll let you know how it goes. Hey guys, I'm back. I didn't finish recording last night, but we went over there and delivered him his Mississippi mud pie for his birthday, and it was a success. I could say that I got 3 thumbs up, and he was so happy that I made that mud pie for him. And we're going back over there today to work on my car because it messed up. But he said when we come over today, he was going to throw it in the dumpster so nobody could eat it. So when he says stuff like that, we know it was good. But he loved it. And for my first Mississippi mud pie, I done a good job. But I hope you like, share, and subscribe this video. And I'll see you on the next one.